So in the last video we had 100, I've changed to 10 coin golds being created and put into this coin list which we are drawing elsewhere. Now the next task I set in class was to have a different kind of sprite appearing. So let's do that right now. I'm going to cheat, of course. We do a lot of copy and paste in programming generally. We just need to really think about what we're going to do. So this is going to be our next sprite list. So I'm going to have to change the name here and change the names and change this, and let's get into that, shall we? So right here in the built-in resources, I'm going to just do the easiest thing. I'm going to take this, Control C, and go back into my program, and that goes there because that's the correct path, but it's no longer coin gold that I'm going to have. I'm going to have this fella, a meteor gray big. Control C and back to here and Control V. Now I will definitely want to deal with this differently, so I am going to call this the meteor list. And just to keep it easy to understand, I'm going to change all of these as well to meteor. So Control C, and everything else is going to change though. I'm just making the code easy to understand by having everything named well, which is a good thing to always have. Control C and Control V, meteor. So you'd think, run that, we're going to have lots of meteors, and that is not the case. There are no meteors to be seen because, as students often do, I forgot to draw it. So self.meteorList has not, oh yeah, has auto completed. Dot draw, bracket. Let's run that. Any moment now it'll pop up. There we go. You see they are not moving, even though we have specified here that they are going to have a change X and a change Y. And that is, again, because I forgot something, which is to put the self.meteor list autocomplete? No, meteor list dot, now it autocompletes, dot update. And run it now, and we should have everything working as intended. Beautiful, with the rotation and everything. So as much as anything, I did this exercise just to highlight what happens if you forget when you're creating sprites to put in the draw function and the update function, just because it's a very commonly seen error when I'm going around the classroom. People just can't work out why things aren't appearing or updating correctly, and it's because they forgot to put these in. So that's enough for this video, and next video I'm going to do some stuff in key press events to do with sprites.